wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to be here. Have you ever had one of those days that just feels incredibly heavy? Maybe like workload filling up and then tight deadlines, or maybe a conflict with your friends. It feels like you're carrying a glass of water that just keeps getting filled until it's finally full and too heavy to hold. Okay, I'm Zidni Rizky Kamila. I'm a psychologist, and I want to invite all of us to have a relaxed chat about how we can light the load in that class and care for our mental health in simple ways. We will discuss what mental health really is, how to recognize the signs when our class is almost full, like this. And most importantly, simple tips to reduce the water level. Okay, so what exactly is mental health? Okay, I'm going to point to one of you to an answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, and you? What do you think mental health is? Okay, yes, exactly. Okay, thank you for your answer. Okay, mental health isn't just for sick people. First, let's clear something up. Mental health is not just about mental disorders. That's a common misconception. Simply put, mental health is about the charge level of our internal battery. Fully charged, we feel happy, energetic, able to enjoy our day, and strong enough to handle problems. And then, low battery. Low battery, we get tired easily, become irritable, sensitive, and just feel like being alone. Every single one of us, me, you, all of us, has that battery, its charge level going up and down is completely normal. Just like our physical health, when we occasionally get a cold or feel sore. So, taking care of our mental health isn't a luxury, it's a necessity, just like eating and drinking. No. So, how we know when our battery or class uh, is almost full? How? How do we know? Here are some simple signs we often ignore. The first is unstable emotions. Unstable emotion. Suddenly feeling overly sensitive, getting angry for no clear reason, or experiencing prolonged sadness. The second is withdrawing. Suddenly not wanting to meet friends, turning down hangout invites, and preferring to insulate yourself in your room. The third is disrupted sleep finding it hard to sleep, or insomnia, or sleeping too much, losing your uh, appetite, or overeating. Okay, and the next is unexplained fatigue. Your body constantly feels weak with no energy, even for hobbies you usually enjoy. And the last is trouble focusing. Becoming forgetful, finding it hard to concentrate at work or school. Feeling like your mind is in a fog. By a show of hands, how many of you have experienced one or more of these signs? See, it's more common than we think. If we experience one or several of these signs, it's a signal from ourselves. It doesn't mean we are weak. It means we are human and need to take a break. Okay, now for the most fun part. What can we do when we feel our battery getting low? Okay, here are some simple tips you can try. Okay, the first is the glass of water technique. What is the glass of water technique? When stressed, just stop for a moment. Take a deep breath in for 5 seconds, hold it, and then exhale slowly for 5 seconds. Do this 3 to 5 times. It's like pressing the pause button for your brain. The second is make your body light exercise, like a 15 minutes walk or simple stretching can release endorphins that make you feel better. It doesn't have to be intense. The important thing is to move. And the next is talk the right person. Find one person you trust, a best friend, family member, or maybe partner just to talk to. The goal is to be heard, not always to get a solution. Okay, and next is I need my hobby too. Make time for things you genuinely enjoy without feeling guilty. Maybe you like read a novel, watch a movie, draw, or just drink coffee while listening to music. And the last is limit limit the toxins. Reduce scrolling through social media that makes you feel insecure, and avoid negative news. Give your mind break. Okay, everyone? Remember, doing these things does not mean you are selfish. It is a form of self responsibility. So, our quick takeaways today are mental health is about the charge of our battery, and it's normal for it to fluctuate. Recognizing the signs of a low battery is the first step to self-care. Caring for your mental health can start with small, enjoyable things. Okay, let's end with one final message. Caring for your mental health isn't a race, it's a personal journey. If one day, if one day the burden feels too heavy and the steps aren't enough, asking for help from a psychologist or counselor is a sign that you are strong and care about yourself. Thank you. I hope we can all be good friends to ourselves and to each other. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.